I'm Dingle Dee, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a pretty cool camper project I've got going on. Let's check it out. In 1986 and 87, a company by the name of Establishment was converting rear-wheel drive Astros into Class C RVs. These are quite a rare find and extremely difficult to come by. This one is an example of why most of them have been scrapped. The exterior is in rough shape with a leaking roof, along with several other problems that come along with a 30-plus-year-old camper. The styling on this bad boy is so groovy though. Let's take a look inside. Here we have a pretty dated interior with a lot of moisture damage and the classic RV stench. This is going to be a lot of work. As we continue into the living area, the ceiling is partly torn off and features plenty of mold, rust, and rotting wood. Here's one more once around of the old girl before surgery. Thanks for tuning in, and special shout out to Patreon supporter Bob. If you'd like to join Bob and be a paid Patreon supporter, check out my Patreon page. It really helps make these videos possible. See you next time.